Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK, and I wanted to come back and show you guys how my hair turned out after I made my Upart wig for this one. And this hair, which I got more hair in today for when this gets old, the hair that I have in right now is the Sensational Natural Yaki in the color Natural Black. It is a 6-piece plus free closure, and this is the brand new one I got in the mail, so you can see how it looks before I even use this one, and I won't be using this until I need it. So that's how it looks. And for those that was asking me last time, I got this from Hairtobeauty online, and I bought it when it was $21. It has gone back to $24 and some change, and I do believe tomorrow the shipping is either $1.99 or $2.99. I forget which one it is, but that starts Saturday and Sunday. So once again, it's the Brazilian. It's the 1-pack. I prefer the 1-pack because it really is enough hair for your whole head, and I just feel like I save a whole lot of money when I get the 1-pack, and I just make my own, save my money. Anyway, this is how it turns out. This is the hair. I just left out very, very little amount of my hair. My hair is flat ironed. It's, you know, it's a little afro when it's not flat out. When it's not flat out, flat ironed. See, this is what I get for making a video at the end of the day. Okay, but anyway, this is how the hair looks. And I'm going to turn around so you can see. Okay, and I have my hair up in here. Let me see if I can show you guys the weft. Just in case if you guys think I'm lying. No, my hair is not this long anymore. Okay, see, that's the weft. Alright? And all I did was, when I made this Upart wig, I put clips in it. I put, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3 clips here. I have a clip on both sides here, 1 here, and I think 2 in the back, because I prefer the clips over the combs. Okay, and then I braided my hair with an anchor braid in the front, what I call an anchor braid here, and then I put four ponytails, and then I flattened them out, and I sprayed it with my leave-in and put just a touch of oil on it, and I make sure to constantly moisturize and add a little bit of oil to my hair because I want to keep it up. Now, I'm working on another Upart wig because, you know, I get bored. I like to switch it up. So it's nice to know I can put this on whenever I want, and then you guys already know about this favorite. Again, once again by Sensational. As you know, I really, really like Sensational. Sensational, Light and Sleep Malaysian. And the one that I have in, no, the one, not the one I have in, the one I'm working on, I have not been drinking, okay, you guys, is natural. The color is natural, and I'm working on it. And I didn't want to wait until I went and got a weave cap, so I'm using a crochet cap for this one. I was going to make a crochet wig, but I decided to just do another Upart. And I will be cutting this in the middle so that, you know, I'm putting clips on it so I can clip it like this one. And so this is how it looks, this one so far. And I am thinking about dyeing it black. It is a natural color. The last time I wore this, and I also put clips on some extra hair I had, so I could just wear clip-ins whenever I didn't feel like doing the Upart. I think that was also natural color, but when I use the other hair, it's black. I'd have to bring out that other pack because I keep using this one, right? But anyway, that's how this looks. And as soon as it's wet, it really gets curly when you wet it. So when I'm finished, I'm probably going to color it, shampoo it, deep condition it, and then I'll be switching back and forth between this and that. So on the days I want curly hair, I'll go curly, and on the days I want it like this, because I never wear hair just straight. That's kind of boring to me. I have to have curls. So I'll switch between this and that. So when this is finished, I'll show you guys how this looks. And I still have to do all of this. I'll probably be finished later today. Okay, so just wanted to update you on this one because I had showed you guys this in my last video. I had showed you that I made a U-part, and I never did put it on and show you how it looks. And I showed you the track and everything. And what I do, once I put it on, once I clip it on, and I add just a little touch of oil to my own hair, I take my scarf and I tie it on, and I'll leave it nice and tight for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Take it off and then go on about my day. And sometimes I wear my headband, sometimes I just wear it like this. I do have closures, but I can't really seem to get into the closures. I don't think I'm doing that right. I don't think I'm thinning it right or something. You know how I see women tweezing the front and they get it just right and it just looks so natural? Well, I tried it and I just don't have it just yet. So my own hair is, my own scalp is my closure right now until I can perfect that or something. But anyway, that's where I'm at with this. That's where I am with this, and that's what I have done. So update on this. So I can take this off every day, tend to my own hair, and then put it on the next day if I want. So there you go. That is my update on my U-part, and I will come back when I finish this one. I'll put this one on too. Okay? So you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and you take care. Bye-bye.